Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Kashi Go Lead, and this is their toasted cinnamon. I've never had this one, but it's non-GMO. Take a look, and it does have 11 grams of protein, which is actually kind of cool, I thought. When I looked at the box, it's in the health aisle. That's the ingredients, 9 grams sugar. Here are that's French. Here is the English side. So that's what's in there. So, let me see what would give the protein is the soy grits. That's what would give you that 11 grams of protein, okay? Let's open this up and do a quick taste test for you. So that's what it looks like. Okay. That's what it looks. Let me do a quick taste test. Okay, so it's basically, think of it like a regular granola that is toasted and has a hint of cinnamon. That's pretty much what it tastes like. It does have a nice crunch to it, and the flavor is subtly sweet, not too overpowering sweet. And here's one of the soy. Yeah, it's actually quite good. Check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.